Oh, we're getting ready to leave camp today. It's our last day. This is our dining tent that we had in here, where we had some of our meals. Some of our meals were outside, but very nice dining facility here. Have that. All of our tents where we stayed are down this pathway. Down over there, you can't see them, they go down. Mine was the last one, way down at the very end there. And then we have some of the staff members here. And we have all our staff members here. We have Issa here, who helped me out quite a bit here. He did an excellent job. I thank him very much. All right. And we have other crew members here, Festus and all of them that did an excellent job too there. So, okay. And we got the Maasai guys over here. And we got them over here. Thank you, gentlemen, for such a fabulous job that you all did here. Thank you all very much. I appreciate it. Asante, asante. This was our lounge and bar that we had here. Where our charging station is over there. The bar, they just took away the bar. It was right here because this is our last day. So they're packing up. They got all our bags out there. I better retrieve my phone from the charger here and get ready to load up. Okay. Some monkeys out there. They're a little hard to see, but they're walking down. Pretty much a whole line of them. Most of them already went past, but there's still a few more up there. Going to do their morning constitutional, I guess, there. So maybe they're out looking to a couple babies in there, a couple small ones, a little tiny one over there. Yeah, she's walking there. And yeah, a number of babies in there. Okay. There's some buffalo here. Across in front of us, got hot there. There he goes. Okay. Elephant out there. This is October the 5th, 2021. Got an elephant, he's looking at us. He's wondering what we are. He's coming closer to investigate. Yeah, I'm just going to come over here and take a look. Okay, he's moving on. Moving on his merry way. Coming in closer. He's moving slowly, cautiously.
And that's sometimes they just go through crocodile attack or through snail,
chewing on a tree
from the poachers.
Yep, knocked down a branch there, trying to get at it.
Do you ever see those?
He's going to cross our path. He's got a snack in his mouth. He's going to eat along the way. He's going to come in closer. Maybe he thinks we're a snack. Yeah, you can see his trunk doesn't all the way come down to the bottom of the ground or go up all the way up to his mouth. There he goes. Yeah. He's going in there. Oh, he dropped his snack. He's coming right by us here. There he goes, on his way. Quietly, cautiously, and perhaps gingerly. Yeah, look at that trunk. There's a little bit missing off of it there. Oh, he's got a better snack over there. There he goes. We got some baboons out here. See, a couple crossed in front of us. A couple little babies out there. It might be the same ones we saw earlier. It's very possible. They're just kind of scattered around there. Little baby out there looking at us over there, checking us out. A little bit of bond farewell to them. Oh, we got all the wildebeest all out there. All wildebeest. As far as the eye can see. all scattered around here, doing what they do best, and that's eating. Eating the grass. You wouldn't think there's much grass to eat, because it's pretty down to the nub there, but I guess there is for them. They keep it well trimmed. That's for sure. Hello, baby. Well, not a baby, youngster. There. Couple guys on the road up here. They're going to get out of the way. Yes, they are. Okay. Just stop for a second. A couple zebras over there. So we're taking this opportunity to do a little scan around the area here. There they go. All out there as far as you can see. Wildebeest all over the place here. Mr. Jackal just sitting down back there. Nice colorations. He's looking, yeah. No, he's not moving. He moves a little bit. He's...
Are we good?
Yes.
Yep.
Yeah. Yeah, they're very cute. Going back, hiding in the bushes there. There's the other guy coming out. He's coming out. Take a look at us. Yes, there he is. He's coming out. Yeah. Cool baby jackals. Very cute. Oh, down in the hole.
That's their hole.
Their hidey hole. The other guy is walking off in the distance there. Oh, there's two more back there. Yeah, look at that. There they are. Still checking this out. He's going to go down in the hole, maybe. I don't know. Oh, stuck his head out. Oh, it's back in the hidey hole. Wait and see if he sticks his head out. But no. And the other ones are still up in there. Got the flies eating my hand here. That's why the camera's shaking. There he is, baby jackal, sniffing around, see what he can find. Oh.
Good.
Okay.